A for apple.
A for apple.
B for ball.
B for ball.
C for cat.
C for cat.
D for dog.
D for dog.
E for egg.
E for egg.
F for fish.
F for fish.
G for goat.
G for goat.
H for hat.
H for hat.
I for ink pot.
I for ink pot.
J for jug.
J for jug.
K for kite.
K for kite.
L for lamp.
L for lamp.
M for monkey.
M for monkey.
N for nest.
N for nest.
O for orange.
O for orange.
P for parrot.
Q for parrot.
Q for queen.
Q for queen.
R for rat.
R for rat.
S for sparrow.
S for sparrow.
T for tiger.
T for tiger.
U for unicorn.
U for unicorn.
V for violin.
V for violin.
W for wood.
W for wood.
X for x-ray.
X for x-ray.
Y for york.
Y for york.
Z for zebra.
Z for zebra.
Hello kids and dear parents, if you enjoyed this amazing story, don't forget to like this video, share it and subscribe to our channel. And yes, press the bell icon.